So it's gone 6 o'clock now in the morning on UK time, and I thought I would just try and do a retake on what I uploaded as the trade, because there are sort of quite large shifts in my thought processes now, because I'm a scalper, remember guys. All I want is 5 pips and I'm done. But firstly, by what I mean by that is I'm using the RsiHistoAlert massively, combined with my 3 candle reversals. The biggest part of my trading is the 3 candle reversals. That is what trends are to me. You know, a 3 candle reversal on an H4 chart is an hourly stroke 30-minute trend. Simple as that. I try to explain this numerous times on my videos, so I will do it quickly on this one. We'll find a good example, good looking example, that will show you the swings within the trend. I am purposely trying to find a clean, really good example. This looks quite good. So this is a case of cherry picking, but it's for all the right reasons. I'm not trying to big myself up. Here you have 3 candles. I've lost it already. There. Low, high, high, low, high, high. I know this isn't a high or low, but for our song that's what we count it as. It doesn't matter too much. So then we have a reversal to the downside. High, this fails to make a new high. High, low, and then we want to make sure we've broken the low of this green level and closed below it, which it did there. And then we look at the reversal on the lower time frames and use the HistoAlert to enter the trade. And also combined with making sure we don't reverse against ourselves with a say 5-minute or 15-minute trend. We must always be, I'm talking about the candlesticks, we must always be in the same direction. That's what's called trading trends within trends. This is an H1 trend. It's an H4 reversal, an H1 trend, swing trend, and when we get the 15-minute it becomes a 15-minute reversal when we're on the lower time frames, and an M1 trend, something like that. So if we stick our candle on the left hand side of our critical penultimate candle, and then we stick our line on the left hand side, and then our line on the right hand side of the closing candle, the critical candle to the right hand side, we can start to look at the trends on the lower time frame. And there they are there. Low, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, high, low, lower, high, lower, low, and break, pull back. All this is the continuation. Okay, that is a quick lesson in trends, swing trends and candlestick reversals. And I'm not going to go into that anymore, but the point is that's the most important aspect of my entries, and then the HistoAlert becomes the second most important, along with everything else is important, but when you enter, being below the hourly 8 EMA and a recent crossover through it, something here or here. In this morning's trade, the pound was way up here and the Japanese yen was strong right at the bottom where it is currently. And then you just look for HistoAlert that this would be the best entry, but you need to go and look at the HistoAlert videos to show you how I use that. So if you're on my video channel, my YouTube channel, just type in RSI, and you will probably get, because it will pick that up in the title of the video, and you will probably get an RSI explanation or RsiHistoAlert in the search, something like that. So back to our current trade. So the way I approach this was first off looking for a recent RsiHistoAlert, one eye on this, as I said, and then analysing the trade. Well, there was no reversal to the downside on H1 prior to my entry. There was a reversal happening on the M30. The candle was red, that was my entry, but it hadn't closed, so it could easily have turned green, so then you have to go to the next time frame down. There was also no confirmed candlestick reversal to the downside either. So the next time frame, and there we had a reversal. High, low, lower high, lower low. Perfect as well, because it was off the hourly 8 EMA, and we had the hourly reversal low that I talked about in the previous video, and it's just when this closes on the hourly below this, you've got a strong reversal. So then it was a question of just dropping down to the 5 minute, which I explained in my previous video, and taking the histo. So you can see the histo. This is an important video, guys, describing how this histo is so powerful and how to use it. In my opinion, it's important. You might think it's a load of rubbish, but I hope you don't. I'm on here for the right reason, guys, trying to help you at no expense to yourselves and my time get to a point where you can open your charts and make a good looking trade, and or make a good winning trade, should I say, make money. And this histo is massively powerful with that. It's non-repainting, so when this prints below here and it's broken what I call my bust, so this is the bust, pull back, break and close. This is a double whammy fantastic one because it's broken and closed below the 20, and it's broken and closed below what I call my break and bust, break below zero. This one did here as well, break and bust, pull back, break and bust the high of that. So that was an early warning signal. It was also the M15 reversal to the short side, which I talked about being really the whole reason for considering this trade, and then a clear level of support or old demand, call it what you like, that would be tested. Simple as that. We are trading tests and retests of old supply and demand, old support and resistance. I've said that a million times and I believe it. It's my mantra, tests and retests. I love it. You know, it simplifies things so much. And look what's happening now. Talked about this in the previous video, I think. H4 has just closed. 6 o'clock. It is 6 AM. Well, it's gone 6 AM now. It's 6:15. Not sure if you can see that. We have a new H4 candle with 3 hours and 46 minutes to go before the next one. And look what's happened. It's retracing. You can just see a green candle behind all that mess there. There's not a trade there, I'm not looking at it, but if I was considering trading this, then I would be looking for reversals exactly the same way. Here's the high, low, lower, high, lower, low. Let's zoom in. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. So when this is closed above this, as it did there, then we were potential good to go to the long side. This is a 5 minute chart. If we look down, we can see the 1 minute trend. There's your trend down. That's your 5 minute high. High, low, lower high, lower low, low, high, high, low, higher, high, high, low, higher, high, and break and close. And Bob's your uncle. And where does it go? To test an old level recently broken. Tests and retests, guys. So, you know, this is why I scalp. And all of this is coming into alignment now. We're above the zero. We weren't on the 5 minute, but we turned green at a critical time of day, and that's important to mention as well. Choose your times of day to trade. So hopefully there was something of interest in this video as well. You know, I'm totally unstressed now. I'm not looking for trades. I'm not worried. I'll probably have a look at the Billy breakout 8 to 8:15. I may well have a look at the 7 o'clock time when everything goes bonkers because of the DE30 opening, the DAX, the Frankfurt Open. So there's loads and loads of good times of day to trade, guys. Just do your analysis. This is brilliant. My 3 candle reversal is solid, and a few other indicators on here, a couple of other indicators and the pivots are useful too. So just learn price action, guys. This is priceless in my opinion. Learn how to use it. You could probably trade without anything else on your charts except this, and maybe a line chart as well. You know, so you've got the tools, in my opinion, good quality tools with 40 odd thousand hours worth of coming to this conclusion here. So it's just a different way to trade, guys, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great Monday and week, in fact. Don't know why that thing does that.